Hi everyone, welcome to this episode where we'll be diving into the fundamentals of operators, order of evaluation, and some basic math. Understanding these concepts is essential for performing calculations, manipulations, and logical operations in your program. Operators are special symbols in C# that are used to perform operations on variables and values. They can be arithmetic, relational, logical, and more. Let's begin by exploring some of the most common types of operations you'll use in C#. First, we have arithmetic operators, which are used to perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here's a quick overview of the most common arithmetic operators: the plus, the minus, the multiplication, the division, and modulus. In this example, we perform various arithmetic operations on the numbers a and b. The results are printed out showing the sum, difference, product, quotations, and remainders. These basic operators are the foundation of performing calculations in your code. Now let's talk about order of evaluation. When you have multiple operators in a single expression, C# follows a specific order to evaluate them. This order is known as operator precedence. The basic order of precedence in C# is similar to what you might have learned in math, like parentheses, multiplication, division, and modulus. These are evaluated next from left to right. Then we have addition and subtraction. These are evaluated last from left to right. And not to forget parentheses. These operations inside parentheses are evaluated first. Let's show an example for how this is used. In the first calculation, 2 times 5 is evaluated first because multiplication has a higher precedence than addition, so the result is 20. In the second example, we use parentheses to change the order of evaluation, so 10 plus 2 is evaluated first, giving us a result of 60. Now, understanding the order of operations is crucial for ensuring that your expressions evaluate as intended. Next, let's touch on relational and logical operators. These operators are used for comparing values and making decisions in your code. Here's an example of using relational and logical operators together. In this example, we use relational operators to compare x and y, and logical operators to combine conditions. The results of these comparisons are stored in Boolean variables, which can then print to the console. Relational and logical operators are fundamental for making decisions in your code. Now that we covered operators, let's look at some basic math functions available in C#. The math class provides a variety of methods to perform common mathematical operations, such as finding the square root, calculating the power of a number, and rounding values. Here we can see an example of using the math class. In this example, we use the math.sqrt method to calculate the square root of 16, the math.pow method to calculate 2 raised to the power of 3. To summarize, in this episode we covered the basics of operators, including arithmetic, relational, and logical operators, as well as the order of evaluation, and some basic math functions. These concepts are the building blocks for performing calculations and making decisions in your C# programs. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.